Hey everyone, Mark here from Eibach for this edition of our weekly recap. This week in the R&D garage, we had the new Honda Civic Type R, which will be developing springs, sway bars, spacers, and alignment kits for. In addition to the Civic Type R, we had the Nissan Frontier in the garage. We had the 4x4 as well as the two-wheel drive models in to do development testing on our Pro Truck Stage 1 and Pro Truck reservoir shocks. The 4x4 version will be getting a 1 to 2 inch lift with our Pro Truck Stage 1 shocks. In addition to the Stage 1, we'll be working on a coilover system for the front. This week's product release is the Tesla Model Y Pro Lift Kit. Our Pro Lift Kit springs lift the Model Y Performance 2.25 inches in the front and 2.4 inches in the rear. For the long range, you get 1.7 inch lift front and rear. Our Pro Lift Kit is designed to work with the factory dampers to lift the vehicle and allow more clearance for off-road use or even larger wheels and tire combinations. I don't know if you're in Southern California, but if you are, you're probably out at Johnson Valley right now. We spent the past couple weeks out in Johnson Valley at King of the Hammers, making sure all of our race teams have the right springs, the right setup for the race. All of the race springs at Hammers are off the shelf, ready to go for your rig. This year in Hammertown, Eibach fans could pick up free hoodies from our select vendors. Make sure to follow us on our social media to find out where they'll be next year. So that about wraps it up for this weekly update. Make sure to like and subscribe to hear the next one.